Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss advantage of private limited company in India. The registration of private limited company in India is done through the MCA portal by financing the required document and by filing out the appropriate forms. If the ROC finds the same to be in line with the Company Act 2013 and devoid of any discrepancies, the certificate of incorporation is awarded. Private limited company get the most flexibility and the recognition from the client. This is turn boost and customer base underable. Therefore, most startup ventures choose a private limited company to launch their operations with their eye closed. Private limited company are governed by the Companies Act 2013 and it falls under the Ministry of Corporation Affairs. The Act fails to provide a clear-cut definition for the word company, but in general, a company is considered to be an association of persons who carry out a common businesses under an identical seal. A company is a separate legal entity and it's different from its member and has perpetual existence. Being a separate legal entity would mean that a company can have assets of its own, can sue and can be sued by other parties. Companies are predominantly of two types, private and public limited company. This article will throw light on private limited company in India. Although a private limited company is put together by means of the paid up their capital, there is no stipulated minimum capital that is mandatory to get a company registered in a personal limited private limited company in India. The shares are not transferable. Those prohibited the public from subscribing to the share of the company. This is therefore one of the most remarkable differences between a public and a private limited company in India. In a private limited company, the liability of the members is proportional to the number of shares held by them.